couple of these things, LED stripe, fine. So it's in a roll, and when you unroll it, it would look like this, fine. And we need one tape, adhesive tape, and this is a converter which is going to convert the AC to the DC to power up the LEDs. So these things we need to put a border, unroll this, and we have to stick this alongside this mirror, right? All the perimeter will be covered with this stripe.
वाह कितना सोना लिखूं देखे मैं एवोकाडो लिख दूं
जो मर्जी लिखो बेटा ਹੁਣ ਲਿਖੇਗਾ ए मां दिखाਉਣ मां ए ना प
बस
रनी अच्छा रा आ
चलो ठीक है. View of the implementation of this light glass board. Okay, so here it is. So here I'm having this board, and this is a LED strip, fine. After that I just put my this laptop, so this is my glass board. I put my laptop over there, fine, and with that camera, that is the camera that is connected to my this PC, fine. So now whatever my camera is capturing, that is again on my that laptop, fine. And now after that I just over my this hand, okay, look my hand, okay. So I can observe what are the points which are captured by that camera. So I just put this taping, fine. Here is another tape, and if I will go further, so here is also a taping, and here is another taping. So this is my visible area. So I already marked the visible area. So this is the visible area, fine. Okay, so now let's draw something like I okay, this is my whiteboard. Right. So it's a pattern. Look, this is also green, and the background is also green. So that's why that is not a contrast. So you should choose the contrast background with the marker. Right? You can use a right view and another thing. So here I am having a marker also. But let's see the comparison between the illumination of this highlighter and a marker. So this is a marker. Right? So it's not visible. Look. It's not visible, so you need a contrast. So now I need just a white background. And one more add-on is that for this it's very something difficult to erase. So I use my finger. Okay, so it's spreading. Right? So we should experiment with a couple of these things to implement this. Right? Okay, thanks for this video, and I will come up with new ideas regarding this presentations. Okay, thank you.